Hey guys, today we have another great product review. We have an 8K HDMI cable.
Alright. Unbag that, Annalisa. Alright. Why don't you set that down on the table and move that bag out of the way. Okay, so it's time for us to upgrade our HDMI cable. We had old cables and they cannot perform like the newer ones. This is an 8K HDMI cable. It can handle 8K video. This cable is 6 feet long and 8K at 48 gigabytes per second data transfer, the bandwidth. And that's the most that's allowed. And this is an upgraded 2.1 high-speed cable. It's compatible with Apple TV, your PlayStation, PS5, your PS4, or your Xbox One series. It is flexible and very durable. We'll take the straps off here. And as you can see, you can twist and turn it. Company is Hongdac. Hongdac. Made in China. Now, although it handles up to 8K video, of course you can use this on your 4K video transfer and high definition, which is what we're going to use it for. Now, the reason to upgrade to an 8K cable is with today's video games, video projectors, and the compression of the video of 4K and 8K, you really need a cable that can handle high-speed transfer of video data. Now, one reason why we're upgrading is because the price of this cable, of an 8K cable, is actually cheaper than what we paid for our original HD HDMI cable. So this 8K Hongdac HDMI cable has two male ends, and I think we're going to use this on our video projector. We probably need to get another one to use for our Roku, and we will put a link in the description where you may purchase this Hongdac 8K video cable on Amazon. Thanks for watching.